Hi, I'm Matt Allen. I'm the General Manager of Business Development for the Environment and Stabilisation Division at MMA Offshore. Today, we're supporting the Future Engineers program, which is run by the WISE network. They offer a program to 30 high school female students in their midterm holidays to come and learn about careers in STEM. Today, we're going to cast 5 reef modules, and we teach the young women about career opportunities. It's a chance for them to engage with female engineers and staff from MMA, and also to learn about how engineering can provide working with nature solutions to help sustainability going forwards. We also share days like today with other community groups. So Cockburn City Council came with their coastal manager Sabina, and Perth NRM's Vanessa came to share about the marine science side of the reefs. The casting of the reef modules involves assembly of the moulds, which we've done in advance for today, and then placing concrete into them, which the girls are going to get involved with. So our regular crew are going to cast the modules and do the concrete placement, and then the girls get to come and put their handprints in it and leave their mark on the reef modules, which helps create a surface finish which promotes marine life. And then Cockburn City Council are here today, and we donate the modules to them as part of the Coogee Maritime Trail, and hopefully in Q4 2022 they'll be installed in the reef. It's important that we keep reinforcing these career paths to promote diversity in engineering and STEM careers. I think it's important for young women to have unlimited career opportunities, and also to be able to contribute to these types of projects going forwards, because their perspective is different to men's, and when we come together I think the result's better.